Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle, and this Coachmen Freelander is one of my favorite motorhomes I have filmed this year in 2023. It has a beautiful outside entertainment area underneath the middle of the awning. The awning is absolutely humongous, gave a ton of shade. I was filming this in 105-degree weather, so you can only imagine. Now, this particular one came with 2 air conditioners. That's something very rare. It does have a 4,000 watt generator, but the air conditioner in the back is an 11.5 BTU just for the bedroom. Now, like a lot of Forest River product, they have gone to the drawers underneath the U-shaped dinette, but this is a little different. I call it the spinning table. I got a bigger butt, so it's easier to get in and out of the dinette if you can manipulate the table. The Ford chassis, which is an E450 gasoline motor, and then you have the bunk bed on top of the cab. The TV is really cool because it comes up and down, and you get a large prep area and huge kitchen storage. Now, what is interesting about the actual kitchen is they give you a one-piece sink. Now, that's something a little different with Coachmen Freelander lately. You also get a 3-burner stove and a drawer underneath the oven, so there's no waste of space in this motorhome. It has a big full-size refrigerator and freezer. Now, those run on 12 volt or 110. They do not run on propane. And that has a pretty big shower. Now, this is old school, the split bath, but it gives you a bigger shower than if you do an all-in-one bathroom. And later you're going to see that it gives a bigger bedroom as well. So as you can see, you get more bedroom space because you have the split bath and a lot more closet space for all those hangable clothes. So if you're one of those couples that want to hit the road for the next 4 or 5 months, this is the perfect floor plan for you, just based on all the unique storage, including shoes, hangables. Well, you can use your imagination after that. Now, if you do enjoy these videos, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified about future motorhome video walkthroughs. That is a full queen-size bed, 60 by 80, and the ladder saying there is actually for the cab bunk bed in the front. And in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see another amazing Class C motorhome walkthrough.